Hello, I'm Emerald. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Make sure you watch to the end. Here is an inspection of one of our properties in O, Castle View Estate, currently selling at a pre-launched price 4 million naira. The actual price is 6 million naira. Reasons why you should invest now is that it is located along New Dual Carriage Road or Enugu with the title of Deed of Assignment and Registered Survey. It has 500 square meter plus size. Its landmarks are mind-blowing, such as Cape Stone University Owo, African Medical City Owo, Smart School Owo, off Owo, Ubaho, Abuja, Dual Carriageway, ultra-modern international market, and lots of other construction and development going on there. Lest I forget, here are the benefits of this property: good road network, potable water, good drainage system, 24/7 security surveillance, constant power supply, and street lights. Sounds amazing, right? Why not call the number on your screen: 081 064 95193 so I can secure a plot for you now.
Start rushing now. So there are a lot of estates here. This is Capstone University. This is Capstone University. This is the Owo Dual Carriage Road. So as you can see, there is a lot of construction going on here. So this is Fidelity Resources. That is an estate as well. This is Seaman Paradise. Then behind it is Castle View Estate. I mean, there is so much that is going on right here in Owo today. So now is the best time for you to invest in this 1 in a million property.